Make sure you set accurate levels for proper installation. Measure correctly to fit your particular shower base. Place wall profiles against the wall and mark all drill holes. Use a masonry bit to drill into cultured marble. Drill carefully and insert plastic plugs before attaching. Secure both wall profiles using supplied screws and washers. Insert the stationary glass panel into the wide wall profile. Assemble the top rail according to printed instructions. Attach top rail to inside of stationary panel and secure with chrome screw caps. Measure, mark, and install wall seats with plastic inserts and screws. Slide securing collar over wall seats and hand tighten. Repeat on both sides. Secure both sides with Allen head screws. Insert single blade seal on stationary panel using roller tool provided. Attach bottom rail with silicone adhesive. Secure sliding glide also with silicone adhesive and set in place. Attach vertical seal to open side of stationary panel. Mount both upper rollers to the sliding panel. The rollers are offset slightly to help with final door alignment. Attach the magnetic strip to the outside edge of the sliding panel. Attach the vertical seal to the inside edge of the sliding panel. Attach the magnetic strip to the narrow wall profile. Hang the sliding panel onto the top rail. Insert both lower rollers into the sliding panel. Tighten and secure. Adjust as needed. Place top cover on the stationary panel nearest to the wall. Attach the chrome shower door handle, setting the fixtures with hand tightening. Seal all joints with silicone to prevent leaks.